Okay, so you put 1 cup in there.
You gotta wash it. You gotta wash them right.
Wash them.
They have to be washed right.
What's gonna get off? Grime?
No, sometimes they got dirt because they're not really clean. So you need to rinse them out. Maybe a cup and a half we're gonna put. What do you think?
For how many beans?
For us, but a cup and a half is a lot.
I don't know. I've never cooked these before.
Okay. Let's make a cup and a half. You like to measure everything. I don't even know how. Then you gotta wash them. Always wash your veggies, everything. Okay, and then you get this. You put water.
How much water?
Almost to the top. I'll teach you to make the chili.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make. I brought some carnitas, so you can have red chili. If you want enchiladas, you can have enchiladas, and I can have red chili.
Okay.
Put it back in here. It's already getting hot. And you kind of make sure that you don't got too much water leaking out. And just pour the beans in there. You gotta check to make sure that they have enough water, so they don't get all dried up and they burn.
And what setting do you put it on?
Not high.
Huh?
High.
You put it on high?
Mm-hmm. Then you get your garlic, preferably fresh, and throw two ojitos in there, 2. Because you need to have the garlic in there, and then just put salt, and that's it, nothing else. And just let them cook.
How long are you going to leave it in there for?
For 8 hours.
So you put it for 8 hours on high?
Mm-hmm. And I'll come and check them, and then I'll just leave them on low, and they'll be ready in the morning, and you can have eggs with beans and papitas tomorrow.
You said on high though. Why are you going to put it on low?
I didn't. No, that's for when it's already done.
See, I don't know what that means.
When they're already done, I just keep them on warm. Okay, your salt, you gotta put salt. All right, a little handful. That's it. It's done.